Peace and blessings, everyone. You all know what? I love this man, Lutrez, this comedian. I love this comedian. I'm going to have to go to one of his shows because this man is funny to me, you all. Check him out.
Cranberry juice. Piece of cheese. Oh, nothing finna make me a sandwich. Just a little snack. Yeah, I'm finna make me some noodles. Yeah, I'm about to make me some taco right quick. Make me some tuna. Finna make me a little bowl of oatmeal. Buffalo chicken dip, hell yeah. Finna put that little pizza in the oven. Finna air fry me some chicken tenders. Think I'm gonna make me a turkey burger. Ooh, gotta have ice cream. Can you believe they done sat up here and ate up all the food? I ain't even got a bag of chips left.
Who is they? I thought you was home a damn long.
I am. I damn sure am.